लाइट हाँ सेंटर ऑफ ग्रेविटी नीचे कर दो। अरे बाप रे इधर मैं ट्रॉट बाइक नहीं ले सकता। हाँ ट्रॉट बाइक बहुत स्पीड में जा रहा है, नहीं ले सकता। 45 मिनट्स का वॉक है अनुराग, 45 मिनट्स वॉक। नहीं निकल सकता, गिर जाऊंगा मैं। ओह शिट। साला इधर बाइक करता तो मैं तो खत्म हो जाता। साला किधर उड़ जाता मैं। Oh shit. Yes. Come on. Slow. भाई गाड़ी आ रही है सामने से। It's too fast. It's too far. Oh. Let's go. Wow. Beautiful. Now I can take a risk again. Easy. On the turn, you stop and walk again. Yes. What a beautiful rain. What a beautiful view. One of the best decisions to come here, even if there's a rain. Oh, again, you go. Slow. Nice and steady. Looks beautiful.
Huh?
Looks beautiful.
Wonderful.
Beautiful.
Ah,
Wonderful.
My house is there.
Ah, really?
I live there, yes.
Really?
The car,
Ah,
you see the car?
yes.
This is my car.
Really?
I speak there. Yes.
You live here the whole year? Or only
No.
Summer?
My house is
In the city? Down?
there. Yes.
There, down.
Yes, and sometimes I sleep here.
Okay. You cut?
Huh?
You cut trees? Wood?
Uh-huh.
Wood cutting? Trees?
Yes, that.
Okay, yes.
Uh-huh.
Ah,
Thank you. Where are you from?
we are from India.
India. Oh,
Yes.
but the weather is not very good.
Yes, exactly. So it rains in May this month? It rains.
In May?
Yes, this rain.
Yes. No,
It.
this year, but
Okay. This year, okay.
like that, sir.
Beautiful house. Beautiful that you are home.
Yes.
And water, electricity, water. There you get water.
Yes.
And food.
Food, yes. Oh, I don't speak English.
Ah.
That's what that is.
You are from France, Germany, France. You,
Germany,
Germany.
I speak.
You speak German.
Yes. Swiss German.
Ah, Swiss German.
Yes.
Right.
Yes.
Right.
Fine.
You are going there
Yes.
or down? There.
I go there. Yes.
There. Okay.
There.
All right.
Bye.
Bye bye.
Did you sleep in Grindelwald?
No, in Interlaken.
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 Yes.
Yes. You have cows? Cow?
Yes, I haven't.
Oh, you.
Got no since.
Okay. Okay. Oh, it's a car. Wow. I hope this cow doesn't chase me off. I'm alone here with only this guy who speaks Swiss German. This cow is looking right at me. I hope it doesn't charge.